Are you a new affiliate and you're probably confused on the right product to choose or where to start? You are at the right place and you are watching the right video. Hello, I am Stella. This is Income Link channel, where I teach everything about affiliate marketing, ebook creation, and self-publishing, and everything about sales and how you can make money online. You watched my previous video where I explained about affiliate marketing, what profitable affiliate marketers do, the mistakes I made when I started, and the advantages of affiliate marketing. Today, we are going to look at niches, factors to consider while choosing a niche, the right affiliate program you have to sign up with, and then start promoting their product. Niche is a specific segment of the large market that specializes in solving particular problem for a clearly defined group of people. We have different niches like health and fitness niche, educational niche, relationship niche, religious niche, self-help, and so on. We have parenting as well. There are so many niches, gardening, and so on. Without niche, you're selling to everyone at the same time and no one in particular. For you to choose a niche, you have to consider these factors. One, the niche you have interest on and passion for. For instance, somebody that has interest in fashion, you can enter beauty niche, okay? Because you have interest in fashion. And then it will enable you to explore more, tell people more about fashion and designing, about makeup and other things that relate to fashion. And then you will do better in that. Somebody that is good, that's a good comedian, you enter entertainment niche, okay? And you will see yourself doing very well. Now, another one is something you have knowledge about. Maybe you studied about some gadgets. Like now, AI is in vogue. You went for a course on AI. And when you finish that course, you have acquired enough knowledge about it. So you entering into that niche is very good because already you have knowledge about it and you have something to share with people. So interest, passion, and knowledge. Another factor you have to consider is it a niche that people likes? Is it an evergreen niche, or is it something that is just trending that will just stop? For instance, when COVID-19 started, people that ventured into it, it is just a trend. And after a while, it is over. Okay? But when you are into evergreen niche, you always have something to share. You always have audience hungry for the market, hungry for your content. You always have people that are looking for that content, solution to the problem. That is evergreen niche. Another thing you have to consider is profitability. Is it a niche that people would like to invest money in? Okay, is it a niche that they would like to buy the courses, they would like to buy gadgets, they would like to buy materials that relates to it? Because after sharing your content, you'll still need to make money as an affiliate marketer. So if it is a niche that people don't like spending money on, it doesn't want spending your time. You check the competitive level. Is it high competitive? If the competition is too high, it means that your chances as a beginner to excel in it will be very low. But if it is a niche that the competition is very low, does it mean that people don't have interest in it? So when you look at the competition, you have to balance it. It must be at an average, okay? So that you as a beginner will be able to have your foot in it and make sales. Another factor to consider is whether that niche is problem solving. What problem is it solving? Because you have to define the solution you are giving to your audience so that you emphasize more on the benefits they will get from your affiliate product. These are some of the factors you consider before you pick a niche. So I want you to look at the factors now and then think of a niche where you think you can do better. So go to the comment section and type the niche you have chosen for your affiliate marketing. Now let's look at the affiliate programs you have to sign up with. Affiliate programs I'm going to mention now, you will go to their website and sign up. When you sign up, you will get your affiliate links for digital products, you get your resources, and you'll start promotion. In the description of this video, I'm going to give you more lists of affiliate programs you can join. So when you finish watching this, you go to the description and get a comprehensive list of affiliate programs you can join. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel and turn on your notification. Right now, what you have to do is to choose your niche and then sign up for affiliate programs, get your affiliate products and begin to promote. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to promote your affiliate products. You're going to see how to drive organic traffic and start making sales. Just watch it immediately. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. See you in the next one. Bye.